Hello everyone, welcome back in the 6th class GK. Student, from this video we will start revision for half a day. Yes, today I am taking this chapter number 15. Yes, the ultimate machine. Student, here are some statements and these we will learn as answers of questions. For example, I am taking this first. An adult human body has 206 bones, whereas a newborn baby has 300 bones. What will be the question for this? The question will be how many bones are there in an adult human body and a newborn body. Okay, come to the second. Jawbone is the hardest bone in the human body. Yes, same process we will apply. We will make question for this. What will be that? Which is the hardest bone in the human body? That is jawbone. 3 is human skull has 22 different bones. Okay. 4 is sneezing stops all our bodily functions. Yes, sneezing stops all our bodily functions. Next is forefinger is the most sensitive finger on the human hand. Next is yes, tongue is the strongest muscle of the body. Yes. Next is human speech is the outcome of the interaction of 72 different muscles. Next is here blindness is in one eye. Blindness in one eye causes only about 1/5 loss of total vision. Okay. Next is a human breathes about 10 million times a year. Yes. Next is hair and fingernails are made from the same substance. Next one, the weight of the human body is 40 times more than that of the brain. Yes, come to the next one. Human thigh bones are stronger than the building material, that is concrete. Yes. Next is hair of hair of the wise people has more zinc and copper. Yes, almost 2 million sweat glands are found all over the body. Yes, power of hearing diminishes after eating heavy meals. Diminishes means decreasing. The greatest number of hormones are secreted by pituitary gland. Yes, the last is the heart is a muscle. Yes. The main thing is infonuggets. Yes. A child has 20 milk teeth while an adult has 32 teeth. Okay, student? Come to the next chapter. Yes, student. Before the 16th chapter, listen one thing carefully. You have to complete yourself quiz 1 and 2. Okay, this is your homework. Okay. Yes, chapter number 16, celebrating brilliance. Awards are given to the people to recognize and appreciate their outstanding works and achievements in various fields. Description of some famous awards are given below. write the names of these awards in the given spaces. Yes, come to the first one. It is one of the 6 international prizes given each year to eminent personalities for doing outstanding work in physics, chemistry, medicine, or physiology, literature, economics, and the promotion of peace. That is Nobel Prize. Yes. Second is here. It is one of the awards given every year by the US Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences for outstanding achievements in the field of film production. That is Academy Award. Yes. 3. This award is given for outstanding work in the field of mathematics. It was instituted by the Norwegian government. Abel Prize. Next is here 4. 4 is this award is one of the most distinguished cultural awards of France. That is Ordre des Arts et des Lettres. Okay. Next is 5th. It is the highest civilian honor of the US. The recipient of this award is selected by the United States Senate. Congressional Gold Medal. Okay. 6 is here. Yes. This prize is given for writing the best fictional literature. This is Man Booker Prize. Okay. Come to the last 7 is here. It is one of the various annual prizes for American literature, journalism, and music. This award was instituted by J. Pulitzer and American newspaper publisher Pulitzer Prize. Okay, student, help list is here. Okay, up to the next video. Thank you.